The Hyundai Grand i10's infotainment system, found in models from 2013 to 2023, integrates navigation, audio, and connectivity features into a central touchscreen interface. Users may encounter issues like system freezes, unresponsive touchscreens, or Bluetooth connectivity problems that can disrupt the driving experience. Knowing how to reset your system is key to resolving these issues. There are generally two types of resets available. A soft reboot is a quick power cycle that clears temporary glitches without erasing your personal data or settings. A factory reset wipes all user data and restores the system to its original default settings. Hyundai's 2025 service bulletins recommend performing a soft reboot first, as it often resolves issues without the need for a more drastic factory reset. A soft reboot is a quick restart to clear glitches without losing data. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. A factory reset wipes all data, restoring default settings. Access through Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. The default PIN is often 000 or 1234. For Bluetooth issues, forget paired devices. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair. Always back up important data before a factory reset.